He kind of tripped himself. All right, let's see. We have monitors here to deal with here. Wow. And it's an Otis.
Holy ow.
This might actually have the funny... Okay, it's got a single digit. Sorry about this poor video. Single speed. Was there a desk?
No.
Okay, good. So we can do a few rides here. Alright. Well, the up trip was not... okay, the up trip was not very... Okay. E. Alright.
Now it says 5.
I'll just start off with the cab view.
Yeah, let's...
Yeah, now it's a 5, and now it's actually a 1.
It says...
So we know it's an Otis, that's for sure. You want to push it?
It was?
Yeah, look. It's very small. Might have been an old one too, just looking at that door track. Alright, let's listen. Dang, this thing moves.
That's it.
And door close does work. Stop hurting yourself. It's very slow on the way down. We'll do one more ride and that's it. I just gotta get the warmth from that walk. We don't know who put this in, like the new stuff. Oh wait. Oh no, that's just like very... Okay. Yeah, 315 Walt Whitman Road. Right. Yeah, I want to do one more trip. Watch the indicator this time. Clearly this thing lifts to level. Actually did. This button's so high up. That's a fail. Take a picture of that for the What a File Info fans. It's labeled L, but it's really 1.
Probably lobby.
Yeah. This thing is fun. Yeah, it's a nice interior actually. I actually kind of...
Small.
I like this. Yeah, it's just really small. That's the only downside.
It's weird.
I don't know why the buttons are so high up on the call stations.
It is.
Did you not see?
I mean, I was too busy dealing with the thing from me sleeping on the curb.
Look at that. That's high. It's kind of high.
And there's something similar.
Look at that. Yeah, this is definitely an Otis with the black, but no, Lexan actually probably because that door frame. Jeez, that thing. And then there are the steps. All right, ready to deal with cold again? You got one more picture? It's a nice building. This is a nice building, actually. Machine room nowhere to be seen. All right, well, that's it.